What is going on, guys? Ronnie here with USA Digi, and in this episode I'm going to show you two things. Number one, I'm going to show you how to actually save money by buying stuff, and number two, I'm going to show you how you can get a check in the mail by buying stuff online. So stick around and make sure to watch the whole video, and it starts right now. Okay, so the first thing is a coupon that actually is a browser extension. Now, this is called Honey, and this thing really works, guys. So let's jump into the computer right now, and I'm gonna show you firsthand how to use this. Okay, so real quick, I wanted to show you how to save some quick money by using a browser extension. So let me go ahead and open my extensions. So here is a browser extension called Honey. And basically what it does is it automatically finds and applies coupon codes, right, when you shop online. Now, it doesn't work for all the sites online, but it does work for Namecheap and a bunch of other sites as well. So what I'm doing right here is I'm fixing to launch a product in about a month or so. Okay, it's called Cash Pillars. It's going to be all the pillars that I use to make money online, and that's going to be in the course. And what I want to do is get a domain name for it, right? So I'm looking for cashpillars.com. So I'm on Namecheap right here. I want to go to domain name search. So let me go ahead and click that. Now, as you can see up here, you can see Honey's already installed. If you hover over it, it says has access to this site. So if it says that, you can use it to save money. It will look for the coupon codes automatically whenever you go to your checkout cart. So let me go ahead and type this in right quick. So I want cashpillars.com. Okay, so that's available. So I want to add that to the cart. Okay, now I'm going to go to view cart, and now Honey should pop up. Here it is right here. We already applied the following coupons, so it already did it for me. But I'm going to go ahead and reapply coupons so you can see how it works. Okay, so it says here it's automatically looking for the best coupon codes. So it says I saved 40 cents here by using this working code. But what I want to do is close this because I want to change this to 2 years. Okay, and I want to try to reapply coupon codes again. Okay, so since I upped this up to the 2 year, I'm actually now saving $4.36. Pretty cool, right? So let me go ahead and continue the checkout. I'm going to confirm my order. So my order was like $22, so now it's down to $17. So, you know, it really does work, guys. I would recommend installing this browser extension because it will save you some money. So especially if you're a marketer, right, you want to save as much money as possible, right? I'm going to go ahead now and check out with this domain, and I hope you enjoyed it. Pretty cool, right? So the next thing is called ebates. Now, you may have heard of ebates or you may have not. Now, I'm gonna leave my link in the description for ebates because when you sign up for ebates, I get an instant $25. Pretty cool, right? And once you sign up for the site, you're gonna have an affiliate link as well, and you can do the same thing if you refer ebates. So let's jump into it and see a little bit about it and how to sign up and whatnot. So right here we're on the site. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and click on the Join Now button, right here. Now, I'm not going to click this because I've already done this. So I'm going to go ahead and sign in just to kind of show you a look around here. Okay, so I'm logged into my ebates account, and basically the way that they work is they're like an affiliate program within an affiliate program, right? So yeah, it's pretty cool. So basically they present all these websites that you can shop online. So you log into ebates, and then you choose one of these websites within their site to go to shop, right? So whenever you shop and you spend money, they get a commission. And what they do is they share that commission with you. So it's really cool. So here's some of the sites, you know, right here on the dashboard. You can see all the sites right here. Amazon, Macy's, Walmart, eBay, Kohl's, Ultra, Robot. There's a bunch of different places you can go. You can go to the links up here, all stores. Now, the way to see how much you have in your account, as you can see up here, it says $10.20. Now, that's actually the last check that I got. So when I go into my account up here, actually I'm going to go into cashback balance right here. So you can see it's 0. So this is the check that they sent me already. So if I go to cashback here, you can see some details. Okay, so as you can see, my cashback balance is 0. Now, I totally forgot about ebates. I recently seen a commercial and it reminded me, and I said, you know what, why not share this with my subscribers? It's something that can really help them out. And they make a little money for shopping, right? So it's pretty cool. So as you can see, it says your cashback balance is 0. Earn $5.01 more, 6/30/19 to get your big fat check. Your last fat check was $10.20. Some people get hundreds of dollars back with this. It just depends how much money you spend and how much of the percentage that you're gonna get. So as you can see, 12/26/2013, that's when I received this check here. So that might have been right when I signed up, and I remembered I shopped a couple of times. Okay, so as you can see, on 2014, I shopped on Amazon and I bought something for $76.52 and I got $2.30 back from that. Now, as you can see here, it says refer a friend. So each time, I'm not sure if it's each time, but up here you see it says refer and earn 25 plus. So I don't know when this refer a friend and earn $25 came into effect because I haven't been on this site in ages, right? So yeah, so that's pretty cool too. So not only can you shop online and get a check in the mail from ebates, but if you refer someone, you can also earn some money as well. So that's pretty cool. So that about wraps up this video, guys. I wanted to show you these two things to save you some money and also get you paid while you shop online. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm Ronnie Rokk Smith. Thanks for your time and interest, and I will see you in the next episode. Oh! All the blood is rushing to my head. Hurry up, click another video.